Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network, utility for Doge. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive official partners in terms of the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can check out their discounts, rebates, bonuses, offers, lowest fees by looking into the link in the description box below. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent, which has got its products. First and foremost, the biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Anyways, let's see what's happening with Flare in real time, what the community is saying, what the official handles are saying. Before we get into the topic, let's see the negativity surrounding Flare in the community overall, because people are a bit frustrated due to price action and whatnot. So let's see what's happening in real time, because we cover both the pros, cons, negativity, positivity surrounding a network. So yeah. Anyways, Songbird about to make history with the premiere of an F asset to the world. This is a bit optimistic. Despite the negative sentiment surrounding Flare networks, I still remain Flare fanboy number one. That is good for you, bro. Let's hope that Flare picks up after F assets and the use cases that it plans to bring. Doesn't Flare Network have a bunch of coins being unlocked to them in 2026 to dump on public? Maybe price not going up because Hugo Fillion is not in position yet to rug Songbird and Flare community. Not saying that's the case, but I've witnessed many projects do that over the years. Let's see what the people have commented. Welcome. As for the price of Songbird and Flare, the price of any asset is influenced by many factors, and it is difficult to speculate on the impact of a single individual like Hugo Fillion on the price. Okay. Next round of Dan Rocky on Flare. Clubhouse giveaways is on. Okay. Question for the Flare network. If you were able to buy NFTs with stable coins or other cryptocurrencies on Flare network other than Flare, Songbird, would that make a difference? King Karan, I have nothing but respect for people who are still holding their Flare. We are well positioned before the masses will utilize F assets. And Hugo Fillion knows about timing when a product gets launched, as we have the alt season on the horizon too. So King Karan is optimistic about Flare and he's saying that whoever is holding it is doing the right thing, and after masses utilize F assets, it's going to be great. But look at this. No one cares about what you think. You literally endorsed scams. Bruh, you didn't take calculated profits to enjoy life. Some of us made 3 to 4x within months from Flare. It has been life-changing for some, still holding a small amount for long term. So yeah, it depends. Some people like to take profits, and it is good if you can time it right. So everyone has got their own strategy when it comes to assets. Some hodl, some take profits. Taking profits is a safe strategy for some. Meanwhile, others like to DCA and add on to their bags monthly if they believe in it for decades or a long-term hodl. Yeah. If I'll hold ain't a problem, delegation, staking, kinetic, and airdrops are passive income. No, we are not well positioned when some newbie can come in years later and buy at a fraction of the price. Yeah, it hurts when a project goes down, but anyways, there is no point in us saying anything. Songbird will soon show us its true power. 2024 has 2 months left. Where is the F asset? Songbird will pull up Flare when everything is ready. What happens to Songbird delegation rewards? Okay, so different sorts of, some people are optimistic, some are negative, some are pragmatic, like it's all talk until it's used. And I agree, obviously, when the use case goes up, only then will the ultimate price will be revealed. Flare is going to zero without F assets. On the contrary, Hugo Fillion said that Flare network has a lot of more use cases to come other than F assets. F assets is only a small part of what Flare network wants to build. So, as far as the use cases are concerned, Hugo is always bullish when it comes to Flare. Look at this. F Doge, which will be the biggest 6 months after F asset launch. Bet 14 official, can we get a market built for this? In my opinion, BTC being the huge powerhouse that it is, initially it will gain traction before XRP can get it sorted. After XRP gets itself sorted out due to after this SEC and this crackdown that it is going through, then we might say that FXRP. But up until this time, I think in the short term it's going to be FBTC. But yeah, in the long run, I agree, FXRP. This is for the short term, this for the long run, obviously. The FTSO block latency feeds are a testament. We are interested in FDoge. There was a post regarding it. Okay, yeah. I think there will be some very fun things that Doge holders will be able to do on Flare with FDoge. Guys, if you do not know, Dogecoin, despite the negativity that it receives for being a meme and for the rightful reasons that it doesn't have any intrinsic use case, it is still, I think, ranked number 8 when in coin market cap. So it is still a powerhouse, it is still a brand. So look at this. I know we're all supposed to think that Doge is a pure pump and dump that will inevitably crash in flames, but have you ever looked at the full chart? Starts to look less like a simple pure pump and dump. Look at this. For the if you look at the long-term chart since 2014, this is a really healthy chart, to say the least, despite it being the meme. And now that FDoge will come and the Flare network wants to give utility to Dogecoin, I think it might surprise us after this. Look at this. I wouldn't underestimate FDoge. Once F assets go live, could turn out an underrated DeFi introductory gateway. We already know how big of a community Dogecoin has, and if F assets can propel it to further heights, it can be really great. If it can provide it utility, use cases, people use it in terms of DeFi, in terms of different in different arenas, in different avenues, it can be really great. So yeah. What else do we have? Skeptor. The Flare Foundation takes a very proactive stance to security and has a partnership with Hypernative to monitor the whole Flare ecosystem. Where is FDoge? Do we have anything for FDoge? Yeah, don't fade FDoge, Doge. And by this, I mean the F asset bridge for Doge, the 8th largest asset by market cap. So let's see what the people have responded. What are the people saying? Okay, just do it. Not for long, there's a new one. Exactly, and some more from Ethereum and Solana. There is a huge need for that use case for those coins. Seamless bridging, and off we go. I believe most exposure to Flare will come after F asset goes live, going live bridging for the utility liquidity wave to hit. Let's get FXRP and FBTC on Songbird and Flare first. Yeah, this is. I also agree that first FXRP and FBTC, they should be tested and they should be utilized, and then we should go on and test FDoge. But yeah, simultaneously it can all happen concurrently. Basically, these all three of them can correspond. Doge has no use case, Brett Garlinghouse, but Flare, I think, thinks otherwise after FDoge. Send it with all due speed. When can we expect these to roll out on Songbird? You know why people are frustrated? That they are not getting any dates, proper dates, or proper launch of Flare assets on Songbird. This is why the price has been going down. This is the reason. I have a bridge in Brooklyn to sell you. 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. Brad is probably laughing his head off. Okay, so yeah, people are saying, why are people negative? It is due to the price, because Flare indeed has been, Songbird and Flare, they have indeed been falling for a while now. So let's hope that things pick up finally. Flare is the only project that underwrites non-smart contract token interoperability with collateral, aims at facilitating interoperability for multiple non-smart contract tokens like BTC, XRP, and Doge, providing them with use cases. It allows people to build applications around them with enshrined, secure, and decentralized data. As they say, data is the new oil, and Flare wants to play with it and play with use cases when it comes to these huge brands that are if we combine them, we get multiple trillion dollars of market cap, and imagine the potential that it can truly trigger in the future if it happens. Like they say, free the bird, free Flare. We are so ready for F assets, but we do need some more guidance on where to find yield for F assets on Songbird. Flare offers a unique platform for non-smart contract token interoperability, enabling applications built with. Okay, so he's just repeating what Hugo has said. We're ready for F assets. Can't wait to meet you in Dubai. Yeah, so this is great, and I think that let's hope that whenever F assets is launched, it is a success. I do not want them to haste it, but I really want for them to release it as soon as possible. But give us a finished product. So let's see. Anyways, what do you guys think about Flare providing utility to Dogecoin, XRP, BTC? I would really like your opinions. Do you think F assets will be a success? And what do you guys think about the ongoing negativity as well? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.